Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the Bixby in this device. Simply go to settings and scroll down. Here you can see the option advanced features. Tap on this one. So first you can see the option Bixby. Tap on this one. So first we need to configure this one. Tap on next. Now say this one. Hi Bixby, set an alarm for 7 a.m. Hi Bixby, how can I make the battery last longer? Hi Bixby, raise the volume and play music. You can use either Hi Bixby or just Bixby. So tap on next. Tap on start. Now let me check how it works. Now here I am going to Hi Bixby, please take a screenshot. You can see simply just without touching the device you can take the screenshot also using this Bixby, right? So simply in this way you can enable the Bixby in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.